rolling.
Hi, my name is Lily.
Hi, Lily. Are you going to help us paint today?
Yeah. And it's gonna be gray. It's great.
Oh, great.
Hit thumbs up and subscribe.
Yay!
Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel, broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, tracking in geosynchronous orbit at 30.006 degrees north latitude. I am Logan 12. On today's episode, the humans tweak the sheet metal installation. Then they move on to paint prep by removing decals and unneeded equipment. They give the bus its first bath. Fix problem areas. Prepare all surfaces to accept paint. And finally, spray the bus with 2 coats of premium primer. It's all very exciting, so let's get into it.
Okay, Skoolie Nation, let's take a look at that important equipment. You're gonna need some scrapers, some wire brushes and wire brush attachments, painter's tape, acetone or other solvents and cleaners, powered sanders, and sandpaper in various grits, y'all. What? No hammer?
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed, the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. In our previous episode, we saw the humans affix the sheet metal skin to the bus. One step in that process was left unfinished, however. The humans installed some angled steel tabs into the interior window frames of the bus. Once these were in place, and pilot holes were driven, they could drive their final sheet metal screws from the exterior to permanently secure all panels. The humans concluded by applying a thick bead of silicone to the interior and exterior gaps to make the panels watertight. Decals and reflective tape were removed using various methods, including a grinder with wire brush attachment, a palm sander, hand sanding, steel wool, a litany of cleaning products, and good old-fashioned elbow grease. The stop signs were removed, and so was that little arm thingy up front. Finally, the humans gave the bus a much-needed bath. After that, problem areas like the holes that were left after stop signs were removed, and anywhere else that needed attention got a good slathering of body filler. Once everything was dried in, the humans began the process of sanding the entire bus. They used a rougher grit, like say 80, to help finish off the big decals. Then they went to something finer, like a 220, to scruff up the rest of the bus's surface area. A palm sander was used extensively. The humans took matters into their own hands when it came to the rub rails and all the other little nooks and crannies. One of these flexible sanding pads can be quite helpful. They also employed the use of a small wire brush attachment that could be mounted to a large drill. This brush fit perfectly into valleys of the corrugated areas on the sides of the bus. Once the Skoolie was sanded down completely, it was time for another bath. After it was completely clean, the humans began masking the bus. Some areas were covered with painter's tape. Other areas required paper. And still others, plastic. Once all the masking was complete, the humans could finally begin to apply the primer. It started off slow as an old, overused spray gun continued to clog. A second, smaller gun worked for a little while. Ultimately, an inexpensive new sprayer was purchased, and the humans continued their task as storm clouds threatened. Working hard, they finally got it done.
Hey, Skoolie Nation! hit that thumbs up right now. If you want to see more Killer Skoolie videos, take a moment to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to activate notifications. And please leave a comment in the comments section so we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey, Ed.
Yeah?
What's green and smells like blue paint?
I don't know.
Green paint. Oh, get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Killer Skoolie.